Hello, my name is Jürgen Rinelli and I'm a senior software consultant. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to migrate the Endpoint Central server from one system to another. In my case, from one laptop to another. Have fun. Today I'm gonna migrate my Endpoint Central installation from my old computer to my new Framework 16 with lots of potential. So let's do that. Admin, Central Server Migration, and yeah, use existing FQDN IP address. Can't do that. I'll keep my old system as well. So I'm gonna stick with change in FQDN and IP address. Right, let's get in my name for my new server and my computer, and let's put in my IP address, and then let's download the migration guide. Well, that's the migration guide, the server migration guide, with some steps to ensure prior migration and the steps to perform. What we are going to do is here execute the server migration, but enable from this location, from the bin folder of my central server root installation. And then manually we will copy the entire server folder to the new location. And in the new location, we're gonna execute the migration DC server, but again, out of the same the same folder. And yeah, from then on, we will import the new SSL certificate with a new server FQDN, and everything will be fine. What's gonna happen is that the migration but enable will turn down the old server into a status like a post office just sending the new address and forward to the new address. And once all the agents have contacted the old server and received the new address, then only then we can stop and dismantle the complete old server. No configurations, nothing will be done once we enable the server migration, but here from the old system, it's all done from the new server on, but the agents out there maybe still in a vacation or something like that, they'll receive, once they're online, that new address from the old server. Prior copying the whole Endpoint Central server folder, get certain that there is no installation of Endpoint Central or old installation on that new server. Right, then let's start the command prompt, cmd, and I'm gonna access it with administration rights. I'm always doing that like that. Irrespectively, the log on my system, always an administrator. Now let's change the directory. Let's go to the UEMS root folder, the bin folder, and the server migration but enable. Let's start that. What we see here are the services, and as you can see, the service from the server has been stopped, and everything else as well, except the agent. There is an agent on that system also, so only the service has been stopped now. All right, then let's go and switch to my new computer and start the migration, but there. Okay, that's my new system, and I am again on the departition. So let's start the command prompt. Again, run as administrator. Yes. Then let's go there and switch to the D drive, central server and bin, and the migrate DC server but. Let's run that. Well, now that's it. Basically, the system is on, everything is here, and yeah, the agents, it might take 90 minutes for all those agents already online until they receive all the new data for the new direction, and they will appear green then here. That's it for today. Easy, isn't it? And you can migrate from a virtual machine to a hardware or vice versa, or to a cloud server you own. No problem at all. You're flexible even for a hybrid solution with Endpoint Central on-prem. See you soon.